Facing issues on your TikTok videos not getting views or not appearing for others on your iPhone? This could be due to privacy settings, account restrictions, or even algorithm problems. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through how to fix TikTok not showing your videos to others on your iPhone. Let's jump right in. Solution 1. Turn off private account. First, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the profile icon below. After that, tap on the three lines icon from the top right corner. Now tap Settings and Privacy from the below. Then tap on Privacy. Now make sure to disable the private account. By disabling the private account, your account will switch to public. Now everyone can see your videos. Solution 2. Clear TikTok data. Go to the TikTok app. After that, tap on the profile icon from the bottom. Then tap on the three lines icon from the top. Next, tap Settings and Privacy. Now scroll down and tap Free Up Space. Now tap Clear to reduce the cache. Solution 3. Contact with TikTok support. Open up your Safari browser. Then type and search TikTok support. Next, tap on Report a Problem. Then select the option General Account Inquiry from the drop-down menu. Now select Banned Account from the drop-down menu. Now enter your email address and username. Next, describe your problems in the additional details box. Like, hello TikTok support team. My TikTok video not getting views. I think my TikTok account is shadow banned. I didn't upload any video against community guidelines. Here is my information. Now here, mention your email and username again. If you have any attachments, then upload them here. Then check mark both the boxes and finally hit the submit button. TikTok support will mail their feedback within 48 hours. If it is eligible for your account, then only TikTok support can able to unban your account. If your appeal is unsuccessful, you may need to create a new TikTok account. That's how you can fix the issue of TikTok not showing your videos to others on your iPhone. If this video helped you out, make sure to like it. Got any questions? Drop them in the comments. And I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.